S is for supports, S is for snakes, and S is for sweaters. You will see and need all of these things in our ROAAr reading room when consulting rare and fragile books. Many books in our collection are fragile and need support and care to be handled and read safely. Book supports come in many shapes and sizes, and we use them to support the boards and spines of books when they are open for reading. They help to reduce stress on the spine of the book. Over time, that stress can cause book covers to pull away from the connected text pages. Foam supports of different sizes and support cushions help prop a book open, usually at an angle less than 180 degrees, so that the book does not lay flat on a tabletop and the weight of the open pages does not stress the spine. Staff will assist you in setting up your book. First step, choose appropriate sized foam wedges or cushions to support the boards and open pages. Rest the book in that supportive V and open with care. S is also for snakes. Don't worry, there are no living snakes loose in the stacks. We have a variety of sizes and weights of these flexible weighted book snakes. They hold a page open so that you can read, take notes, take pictures, use a magnifying glass, and use both your hands for other things. Very useful little serpents. The lightest snakes are weighted beads covered in a cloth sleeve, and you should use the lightest weight that will keep your book open. The heavier snakes are in fact long and narrow bean bags. You can set up your snake along the edge of your volume or looped up over the top and bottom corners. The basic guideline is to place the snake over the unprinted margins and not on printed or handwritten text or images. Last of all, S is for sweater. Bring one! Our reading room is a chilly space, even in the heat of a Montreal summer.